Hello, in this video I would like to show you how you can connect two EC2 instances which are placed in different VPCs. Okay, let's start. So I have two EC2 instances. One of them is placed in project VPC and the other one is placed in default VPC. Here I connected to the EC2 instance in default VPC and I'm trying to ping the EC2 instance in the project VPC. Now, as you can see, I cannot ping it. All packages are lost. Okay, how we can connect these two EC2 instances? First of all, we need to create peering connections. I create a peering connection over here. Let's call it default VPC to project VPC. Then I will choose a VPC over here, so the request VPC will be default VPC because my EC2 instance in the default VPC from which I'm going to ping the other one, and acceptor VPC will be project VPC. That's all. I can create peering connection. Here it is, and the next step, what I have to do, I have to accept request, and the connection is created. The next step is to create routes. We're going to the routes table, and here we create a route which we called default VPC. Here I selected default VPC, create a route, and here, as you can see, we have only one route. We need to add routes to our project VPC and the route which will let us work with the internet. Otherwise, I will not be able to connect to the EC2 instance anymore. So first of all, I will add internet connection, internet gateway, and then I choose here my internet gateway. And then I will choose my peering connection over here. And here I need to provide the CIDR of my project VPC. Let's go to our VPCs. Here is my project VPC and here is the CDR. So I copy it and I put it over here. Now I push save changes and the route is created. The next step, I need to add subnet associations. For this, I need to know in which subnet my EC2 instance is created. So if I have a look at default VPC, because right now I'm doing everything for my EC2 instance in the default VPC, now I open the network tab and I can see that subnet ID is 0B. So I go here, edit subnet association, I find here 0B, and then I do save associations. Now if I want to check, I can go to VPC and then to see that in my resource map, you see I've got these connections through my default VPC route. That's one part. Another part, we need to create the same route from a project VPC to our default VPC. So that's why we'll have two connections in two ways. So we go again to routes table. We create a new route table. We call it project VPC to default VPC. We choose here project VPC and create route. Now, as usual, we add first internet connection. Internet gateway, then I choose this one, and then I also need to add my peering connection, this one, and here I need to provide a CIDR of my default VPC. Here is, I can go to VPC this way, and here is the CDR, I copy it. And then I go to here and put CDR here. The next step, I need to associate it with subnets. My EC2 instance is installed in public US East 1A. You can again look at it if you open the EC2 instance and have a look at the network settings, safe associations. Okay, here everything is done. Okay, the next step, what we need to do, we need to modify the security role of our project VPC. We need to let requests from default VPC be able to come into our EC2 instance. How to do it? We go to security, we go to the role, and then here we edit and about roles, add a role. Here we choose all ISMP, and then here we provide the CIDR of our default VPC. Let's have a look at the CIDR of our default VPC. It's this one. Let's put it here. Now we save the rules. Okay, it's done, and now we can try to do ping again. And as you can see, now everything started to work, and that's how you can set up connections between two EC2 instances and different VPCs. Okay, that's all for the video. Thank you for watching. Bye.